So now we have talked about the skills that you need to become a content developer. Now let's address the elephant in the room. How do you become a content developer? Because many people actually want to become a content developer, but they do not know how do I go about it. What are the steps that I need to follow to become a content developer? So one of the ways you become a content developer is you have to earn a degree, you know, or a diploma, or do a short course, get certified. Because imagine, like, I'm a music content creator or a content developer, and I want to be teaching people how to dance. And I don't have certifications. Like, how do I even prove that I am a professional in this work? Yeah, you see.
There is no way you can prove that unless you have the certificates. And the certificates are very important, and you can start. You don't have actually to start. You can start just with a certificate, maybe do a diploma and then a degree later.
Yeah, and you see, like, let's say for you, you are a dance. Let's say you are a dance coordinator, dance choreographer, or maybe you can call you a dance content developer. And you find an institution, they want you to be teaching the children how to dance, and you don't have any certifications. So how will you prove to them that you are a certified professional who can do this? So you see, there is an essence actually, there is a need for someone to have the certification.
And maybe you can, maybe say you won't do the certificate. Maybe get one student or two, but your goal is actually to maybe even teach in big schools and big organizations that will make you real money.
Then the next step you need to do is to complete an internship. So you see, many people actually don't understand why do we need internship, you know. But when you come to one thing I've come to realize is that internship is very essential, because it is where you get to now everything that you have learned, everything that the theory part, you now get to actualize it in a practical way. You get to meet with people, they show you other ways of doing, you know, you have some, actually we find that most of the times we have one standard way of doing things. But when you meet with other people, they show you other ways of doing things. And through internship, you actually get to meet with people, you get to practice what you have been learning, and that is how you grow as a content developer.
And being an intern and doing an internship, there is no difference because whatever you're going to be doing in your internship is the same thing you're going to be doing when you're working. So as long as you take an internship, you can have a very easy time when you're working.
So you see, after you have done your internship, you have said first of all you need certification. Then after that you go for internship. That is where you grow your skills. Then after that, now it is your time to create a portfolio, so that when you are approaching people, you can tell them, this is my work, this is what I have been doing. Actually, you can see from my experience, from my portfolio, I have been doing this and this. So as I am approaching you, I am an experienced person, you see.
So you get to have a very easy chance of getting employed, because you just tell them, I even did a course, I have a diploma in this, I've done my research, I went to an internship, so there will be no reason for them not giving you the job.
Then after that, the fourth step you're supposed to do is network with content developers, because it's through networking that you get to know many other people. Through networking you get to grow your skills. Through networking you get to find many chances that actually if you just stayed there you do not get. So networking is very essential. So after you have gotten your certification, done your internship, created a very good resume, then a good portfolio, then you start networking with other people who are in your field. So if you're a dancer,
you can even start offering maybe workshops, and because there is a lot of dance studios, you can be going there and practice with other dancers and other dance instructors, and you get to network with people who are in the same area as you.
So after that, we have said the first step, you get certification, then you go get an internship, you grow your portfolio, then you get to network, then you need to keep improving your resume, because you know we don't want you to have like a very standard resume. So you need to keep growing, because this is the world is constantly evolving, and you need to keep up with the trends. So you need to keep doing other things, grow your resume so that it looks presentable, and that is actually how you get more job opportunities.
And the good thing with short courses is that the short courses are they consume less time, and you're doing them online. So maybe let's say you take a course in dance instructor. When you're still doing the dance instruction, when you're still doing the dance instruction course, you can maybe take a course in videography, so you can be recording your video and posting them, maybe
editing actually.
Yeah, so that your videos can look good because you are a content creator, so you have to stand out among other content creators.
Yeah, now the last step. You have done all the 5 steps that you have told you. The last step now is when you're going to look for work. You need to customize your resume according to the job description that they are offering. Yeah. Let's say they want a content creator or a content developer who will be marketing shoes. Yeah. So you need to now customize your resume to represent the work. So you have to show them, I'm actually able to do this work.
Yeah.
Sir? Yeah.
And maybe you can even take courses that are related to your resume. If you maybe notice that you're going to end up in that career path, you can start enrolling for other short courses that are going to be leading you to the career path to get to the job.
You know, so one thing I came to notice is that when people are applying for jobs, some people don't know that when you are writing your CV, you're supposed to customize your CV according to what the job application is actually requiring. If they are saying they want a person who led this and this, make sure in your resume you're saying I led this and this. If maybe you are applying for a job as a dance instructor in a certain school, and in the job description they are saying they need a person who can lead a group of people towards maybe achieving a specific goal. You can say I led maybe 5 students in accomplishing, maybe mastering their body movements. You see, you have underlined the word led, and they are looking for that skill of being a leader. So when you customize your resume according to the job description, you'll be very sure to be a very good content creator or a content developer, and you'll get jobs.
Yeah, because when the companies say they want a certain person with a certain number of skills, and you actually give those skills, why I can't see the reason why because that's exactly what they are looking for.
Yeah, so that is it, guys. That is how you become a content developer, and make sure that you practice these skills. If you have other skills that you feel or you know that maybe you have not talked about and they have an idea, maybe you can leave them in the comment section, and we will be sure to read them out.
Yeah. Make sure at the end of the video you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit on the notification button so that every time we release a new video,
you can be notified. Until next time, goodbye.